Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. As you know, in my channel, I make battered things better. So basically, what I mean by that is like I upcycle the things that are, broken and that are ready to be thrown into the trash. I do not throw them. I just give them a new life by actually giving it to giving a creative a look to it and a new look and a new life to it. So this is what I do mostly in my channel. And what I'm going to do today is this is one of the waste bin. So I didn't use for the trash, but I used for throwing paper and all. So this kind of broke here, and I do not want to throw this. What I'm planning to do is stick this with super glue, and then I'm going to tape it and stick it. And then what I'm planning to do is use some of the plastic bags, the Kroger bags. I do not throw this as well. I try to use as much as I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rope out of this, and I'll show how it's done. And after that, I'm going to stick the rope around the basket, and I'm going to give like a farmhouse kind of a look to it. So I'm going to use this basket, not throwing into the trash. So this is like one way of my contribution to the environment to keep it green. So this is one that I'm going to do, and this is actually another bonus one that I wanted to do. I have this cute orange basket that I got from Dollar Tree, and I also got this nice satin ribbon, the blue color, and I'm going to weave through these holes, and I wanted to give a new look to it. So this is one of it. So inside of the basket, I'm planning to put this gift wrap paper, which has got like a lace design. It looks so good. It looks like fabric, but it's a paper. So I like this print, so I'm going to put that inside to give like it's like a although as it looks like as though it's I have done a fabric inside. So I want to do that. And for the borders, I'm going to use the burlap. And what else I need is I need some of the glue sticks, glue gun, and my tape. So yeah, let's start working. So I just twisted one set like this and twisted another set like this, and I'm going to twist this again like that. The more you tightly twist, it gets like really tight rope for you, but I think like I had some gaps, so it's like this, but it's very forgiving. So after I spray paint it and stick it, you won't see any mistakes, so it'll be fine. So this is a quick update, you guys. I just stuck all the plastic bag rope around the basket like this, and I made sure that the handle is not covered. I just made the rope go around the handle like that, and same I did for the other side as well. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray paint it, and I'll be back. Hey, welcome back, guys. I went outside and I spray painted the basket, the green basket that I was trying to weave with the plastic bags. I spray painted basically rose gold, and it is drying outside. So while it's drying, I wanted to work on the other basket that I was showing that I was planning to do. What I did the satin ribbon, the blue satin ribbon I'm planning to weave. I just cut into the actual sizes of this, the peripheral, the distance of the each of the five windows. So I'm going to weave through these windows. So let's weave through these windows and get started. So I just weaved the blue ribbon between the holes of this whole basket, and I made like an alternate pattern so it looks like beautiful. The orange also shows up beautifully, so I wanted to add like blue and orange. And I also thought, like, the ribbon, I wanted to put another ribbon which is thinner satin ribbon that I got from Michael's long back during Christmas sale. They had all the ribbons, like I got this probably like maybe like 70 cents or maybe 50 cents. So I got a lot of ribbons. So I got one of the white. So I thought, like, I'll use this. It's already lying in my craft room. So I just inserted the white ribbon through this holes of the basket, and it looks nice. I wanted to just give like some more colors to this basket, so I just gave that. And for the top decoration, I got this 8 beaded necklaces that I got from Dollar Tree. I just picked the blue one and I just stuck around the top. So this is the leftover. I'm going to use that for a different project. So I just stuck on the top like that. And also I made 3 beads and I made a feet for this one. So I'm going to decorate like this. Maybe I can put some nail polishes or maybe some stuff around the house. So it's very pretty. I like the color combination. So I'm happy how it turned out, and I'm going to give an update on the other basket. It's still drying, and I'm going to work on that basket once it gets dried. I'll be back again. So there you have it, guys, my final outcome of this basket. It's a waste bin that I got from Dollar Tree, and I used for around my office area to put papers and stuff like that. So it kind of broke in one of the place, like I showed, and I actually covered it by making the rope out of the bags, like plastic bags that I get from Kroger, Walmart, everywhere. Then I made a rope out of those plastic bags, and then I stuck it around, and I spray painted the Krylon Color Master, this nice rose gold. So I painted this, and then after it dried, what I did was I just stuck the gift wrap paper, which has got like nice lace design. And the reason I chose this because it kind of looks like fabric that I stuck inside. So I kind of like the combination of the rose gold and the the paper, the gift wrap paper inside. So yeah, I kind of like how it turned out, so I can put things around the house instead of this going into the trash. So, and this one is something that I got from Dollar Tree as well, like come like two in a two packed together and small plastic basket. So I wanted to give like some nice pattern with lace ribbon, sorry, satin ribbon. So I used like a blue satin ribbon and a white satin ribbon on top of the blue satin ribbon, and then I stuck this beaded necklace which I got from Dollar Tree, and that's blue in color. So, and also gave like three beads in the bottom to give the feet, and I'm going to use this for nail polish and stuff like that. And yeah, these are the two things I wanted to show. So I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you also enjoyed watching with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for me. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.